Okay, so this first video is going to be a review of all the DNA structure stuff that we covered in Unit 1. So when you built these 3D DNA models, we talked about what all the pieces are that make up the DNA. So the backbone of a DNA is made up of alternating phosphate and deoxyribose sugars. Phosphate, deoxyribose sugar, phosphate, deoxyribose sugar, all the way up the backbone of this double-stranded DNA molecule. You remember that in the middle is where the AT and GC pairs are. A always bonds with T, apple in the tree. G always pairs with C, car in the garage. We talked about how those different AT, Gs, and Cs are classified. So A and G are called purines. I told you to remember it because angels are pure and they have an A and a G. Angels also have 2 wings. Purines have 2 rings. So you'll see this molecule here has 2 carbon rings, whereas this one only has 1. So this one has 2 carbon rings, which makes it a purine. This one only has 1 carbon ring, so it must be a pyrimidine. Pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine because that's the leftovers. So you need to remember that purines always pair with pyrimidines. So adenine is a purine, it pairs with thymine, a pyrimidine. Guanine is a purine, and it pairs with cytosine, a pyrimidine, GC pairs. Apple in the tree, car in the garage.